Hey, I've never done one of these at night, so I'm gonna give it a shot. It's the 4th of July, and I decided to save my walk until it got dark and all the neighborhood people are gonna be shooting off their fireworks. I don't know if you caught that, but it sounds like they're shelling the area. I'll tell you, my favorite 4th of July was actually coming back on the airplane from New York City, where my sketch group had performed, and we got on a plane right at twilight, and because we're going backwards through the time zones, the entire flight was just when every city we were going over, their fireworks to be in full display. And from the airplane, that was pretty remarkable, and it kind of ruined fireworks for me. Weird street parties going on always. It's 4th of July. That was a good one. Scared the living hell out of me. I'm an old guy now, and now I'm concerned for everybody's animal. That's my biggest concern right now. I swear, the older I get, the less concerned I am for people and more concerned I am for their pets. And pets go through freaking hell during this. I will say it's far more interesting getting out of the apartment and viewing it than just hearing it sound like they're bombing Portland from inside. But yeah, you want a real treat, just book a plane flight from New York City at 6 o'clock in the evening. You're gonna fly for 3 hours to Portland International Airport, and along the way, far below you, massive, glorious fireworks going off. The entire ride, it was just like we're just getting there just in time for this to happen in this city. And the little ones all along the way, but I can't tell you there could be a better fireworks display than that. That was amazing. And I was in Washington, D.C. Dad's good idea. Let's go to Washington, D.C. on the bicentennial, 1976. I'm little Kevin. There's a billion people. There's a whole bunch of activity coming here. But yeah, we always did things like that. It's like, let's go to Disney World the year that it opens. Oh, that's a great idea. Or we could just go to Disneyland, which was... Okay, here's a story. I get lost in the difference between Disneyland and Disney World. It's in Disney World, the staff wants to help you. I get lost in Disney World. I'm a little kid, and my parents say, just go back to where we last saw you, and we will find you there. And so I do that, and I'm like in the western sort of part of the place, and I go into a little toy shop that sells slings and phony guns, and I'm just in there for a really long time, and the lady behind the counter just looks over at me and goes, "You gonna buy something? If you're not gonna buy something, then get out of here." I'm like, oh. And there are a billion people in Disney World, and I'm far, far away from home. I walked outside, immediately found my family, and all was well. But see, it's these little experiences, you hold on to them. But I hope everybody is having a good 4th of July. Now, I'm beginning to have one now that I'm out and about, but oh, here come some kids with sparklers. This is perfect. I'll leave you with this. Happy 4th of July. That is pretty adorable. Children chasing adults with fire objects.